Question number 14. In an isosceles triangle, length of the congruent side is 13 centimeter and its base is 10 centimeter. Find the distance between the vertex opposite the base and the centroid. So let ABC be the given isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC is equal to 13 centimeter are the congruent side. The base BC is 10 centimeter. Now the vertex opposite to the base BC is A. Now to find the distance from A to G. To find AG. Construction I have already done in the figure. Draw segment AM perpendicular to BC such that point B, point M and point C are the collinear point. So to find AG, we will consider the right angle triangle AMB and AMC and show that both the triangles are congruent. Now since both the triangles are right angle triangle, we will use hypotenuse side test. This we get by construction. Hypotenuse of both the triangles are congruent because it is given. Also AM is a common side. So therefore, both the triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test or hypotenuse side theorem. So since both the triangles are congruent, segment BM is congruent to segment CM. The reason is corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Now if you take BC, then BC is BM plus MC. But BM is same as CM. So in place of MC or CM, substitute BM. BC is 2 times BM. So therefore, BM is half of BC 5 centimeter. BM is 5 centimeter. So that means MC is also 5 centimeter. So now consider the right angle triangle AMC and apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is AM square plus MC square. AC square is given. AM square to find MC square is 5 centimeter. Interchange the left hand side and the right hand side. 5 square is 25 is equal to 169. (144). AM is root of 144 and that is plus minus 12, but since we are talking about the length of the sides, length is always positive. AM is 12. Now since BM is equal to MC, point M is the midpoint of segment BC, and since point M is the midpoint of segment BC, segment AM is the median. Segment AM is the median. And since segment AM is the median, G is the centroid. AM is a median and G is a centroid. It lies on the median. And by property of the centroid, the centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So AG is 2/3 times AM. This is because the centroid G divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So that means AG by GM is 2/1. So therefore, cross multiply 2 times AG is GM. Sorry. Therefore, AG is 2 times GM. Now we know that AM is AG plus GM. The centroid G divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Cross multiply. AG is equal to 2 times GM. So this means GM is half of AG. Now we know that AM is AG plus GM. So AG plus, in place of GM, half of AG. So this give 3/2 times AG. Now take 3/2 to the other side. So it becomes the reciprocal of 3/2. AG is equal to 2/3 AM. And this is the result that we are getting here. AG is equal to 2/3 times AM. But AM is 12.8 centimeter. So that means AG is equal to 8 centimeter. So this also means that the distance between the vertex opposite the base and the centroid is 8 centimeter.